We got the cooked exhaust, we got the cooked headers, and we got the cutouts here. What's up, guys? If you're new to the channel, make sure to comment, like, subscribe. So today we're gonna be taking the 300 to the muffler shop for the cook exhaust and the cutouts. Okay, come on. Okay. Get the 300. It's dirty. Really muddy right there. We're gonna go to the muffler shop. So see y'all there. Alright guys, so here we have the cutouts. That's 2.5 inch. We're gonna be putting a couplet 2.5 to 3 inch. We're gonna put some cooks. We have it open heather right now, so it's the last time open heather, so you gotta stay tuned. We don't got no mufflers. We got the resonator, and we just got open heather, so we're gonna see what we can do right there.
Mira esta centrada ahí. Pero le van a tener que hacer un angle. Si no te le cortan aquí, se ponga ahí. Acá.
Aquellos aquí. Sí, aquellos ahí. Y estos pues, sea aquí o donde sea, nomás que sigan después de ese, de los estos. Y ya dejarle estos. Sí, porque está muy ruidoso, güey. Ahorita le queda. Yeah guys, so we got the open headers, as y'all see. We come at Hercules. We're gonna put the cooked exhaust. Cooked exhaust, the cutouts right here. Yeah guys, but if you're new to the channel, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Can't wait to see how it's gonna sound. It's loud right now, so we're gonna see. 5 inch tips.